This is Tommy Giraffe. Tommy Giraffe is teaching us the word tall. Here are some tall buildings. Tall buildings. T-A-L-L for tall. And here are some tall mountains. Tall, T-A-L-L. And look at the beautiful mountains. Tall mountains. Now this elephant doesn't look very tall, but it is quite tall. Tall elephant. Tommy, can you think of an animal that is taller than the elephant? That's right! Here is your friend, the giraffe. You are a giraffe, aren't you? Yes, you are. And here is another tall giraffe. Tall giraffe. Here are some tall trees. Do you know what kind of trees these are? Yes, that's right. Palm trees. Tall trees. Let's look at all the things that we looked at that are tall. Tall buildings. Tall mountains. Tall elephant. Tall giraffe. And tall trees. Can you think of a word that rhymes with tall that starts with letters S-M, sm, all? Small. Small. That's right. Small. Small and tall rhyme, don't they? Now, let's look at some objects that are not tall but are small. Here is a small ladybug. Small ladybug. Here are some small toy cars. Oh, what's that green car doing? That green car wants to get in line with all the other cars. Uh-oh, the green car's pushing the other cars out of the way. That's not very good, is it? Here is a small dog. Small, S-M-A-L-L. That's a little Chihuahua dog. Hello. Here's a small baby. S-M-A-L-L. Small. A small baby. That baby is so cute. Buzz, buzz. Here are some small bees. Let's say this word. Small. Small bees. Oh, look. The bee is waving to us. That's so cute. Bye, bees. Small was a fun word to learn, wasn't it? Now let's look at the objects that we saw today that were small. A small ladybug. Small bee. Small baby. Small toy cars. And small dog. Small. Thank you, Tommy Giraffe. You taught us the word tall today, didn't you? And then we learned small rhymes with the word tall. Small and tall rhyme. Please join me again soon at Miss Holly Teaches, and please subscribe. Bye for now. And bye, adorable elephant.